Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about marks in Pokemon. So I already did a video about marks. Anyway, I caught a whole box of Nidoran, and every single one of these Nidoran has a mark on it. So I actually have a few other boxes of Nidoran. But this is the one that's all marks. So let's count out the kinds of marks. We have one time of day mark, one, it's called weather mark. So 2 time of day marks, 3 time of day marks, 1 sociable mark, 4 time of day marks, 2 weather marks, 3 weather marks. Shoot, I lost track. Yeah, I'm gonna just give you the statistics. I'm back here, and these Nidoran here. So these are all the ones I caught for the experiment. I also caught these, but they're not Nidoran. But anyway, this is a total of 147 Nidoran in these boxes here, and this is the mark box. For the social mark, which I thought was the most common, well, I mean, it is the most common, but it's like actually supposed to be the same rarity as the weather and time of day marks, except the sociable mark, I say it's the most common because you get it anywhere. Although technically the fishing mark is even more common, it's just not as practical because you can only get it on fishing Pokemon. So I would still say the sociable one's more common. But if all you do is fishing, then yeah, you're gonna get a lot of fishing mark. But yeah, I got 8 sociable marks, 11 time of day marks. That counts both the nighttime mark. So the sleepy, and then the lunchtime mark, which is the peckish, because I did this over the course of 2 days. And also, I got, like, the parched, or the sunny, or whatever mark. The extreme heat wave one, the parched. And I got the, sodden, which is the rainy mark. Total of 8 times, so 7 rainy ones, and then 1 of a parched one. And then I also got 3 of the personality mark. I will show you which ones, because there are 28 different ones, and they're random. Okay, here's the 3. The slump mark, so I can have a worn out, Nidoran the worn out. The ferocious mark. This one's funny. Nidoran the rampaging is rampaging. That's hilarious. Rampaging Nidoran. And then, Nidoran the Giddy, which, okay, whatever. But yeah, that's my Adventure Gang marks. It's about on odds, because I have a mark charm, and about 1 in 5 Pokemon should get a mark with a mark charm, like a mark in general. It's like competitive stuff. There it is. I actually got a shiny Dewpider. Yeah, it's actually pronounced Dewpider, I saw the anime. Which is cool, because I got a shiny Araquanid like on an earlier date, so I have both now of a set. And the Araquanid had a ribbon. But yeah, there it is. I'm gonna just talk about the odds. So the weather mark, time of day mark, and the sociable mark should all have, like, equal odds. And then, twice as rare as that, so, like, seen half as often, would be the personality marks. And these are technically the rarest marks individually. Like, as a whole, as a group, then, yeah, they are, they're, like, 10 times as common. So I guess 10 times less rare, I don't know, than the rare mark. But the rare mark, there's only 1 rare mark. These marks are randomized. Like, there's no way to target them. They're randomized between a group of 28. So these individually are technically the rarest mark. So let's say you want one of these. You specifically want Nidoran male the rampaging. This is incredibly rare. This is a 1 in 2,800 chance. Meanwhile, if you want the rare mark, it would be 3 in 1,000. So that'd be like 1 in 333 or whatever. So these are, but if you wanted just any personality mark on the Nidoran, then yeah, these are way more common. But if you want a specific one, that is rarer than the rare mark. The rare mark isn't actually the rarest mark when you consider the individual odds of each mark. So yeah, that's kind of what we take away from this. The uncommon mark isn't all that uncommon. The rare mark isn't all that rare. And all the marks have been lying to us? I don't know.